Where there's a beach, a bar, and a bungalow, let's go. I'm your invisible host, Colleen, and I'll be your tour guide as we travel all over the state, highlighting your next Florida getaway. I'll tell you literally everything you need to know: where to stay, grab a drink, and play on the beach. I got you covered. So turn up the volume, turn on those captions, and listen up as I tell you all about Florida's most unique beaches, bars, and bungalows. Hi there, my beautiful beach-going babes. Not only do I have one,
This is our favorite spot.
but I have two amazing Florida beach destinations that are gonna knock your freaking flip-flops off.
I love bringing my family here.
On this episode of Beaches, Bars, and Bungalows, we're traveling down the East Coast, hitting up two very different beach spots, Vero Beach and Flagler Beach. First up is Flagler Beach, which is cozied up between St. Augustine and Daytona. I know what you're thinking. Colleen, it's that close to Daytona. Won't it be more of a woo, spring break kind of vibe? Not at all. Flagler Beach is 6 miles of peaceful, unspoiled shoreline that offers a friendly, laid-back atmosphere with amazing places to eat, shop, and stay. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I haven't told you where you'll be staying. How silly of me. Pack those bags because I found a quiet boutique hotel that is perfect for a romantic getaway. Welcome to the Island Cottage Inn. Here, you will find yourself nestling into the tranquil setting with a literal and figurative sigh of relief as you walk through the door. But before you hit that book button, here's a few things you need to know. You read that right. No lobby. See this guy? This is Colton, and he will greet you at your scheduled check-in time. Thanks, Colton. You're the best. Here at Island Cottage Inn, it's all about total relaxation. Light-filled, calming, contemporary rooms are tucked away, some set beyond a courtyard with a bubbling pond and charming footbridge. Others have large French doors with garden or pool views. Here's a bird's eye view of it. Do that cool spinny thing. Yeah, that's it. We're spinning. Start off your mornings at the on-site cafe. Here, you can enjoy a delicious, warm piece of banana bread along with your coffee right beside this colorful palm wall. Fun fact, this wall was hand-painted by the owner. Impressive. I suggest the pool for your midday nap. Grab that book you've been trying to read for years and pull up a chair. You hear that? You can even hear the waves of the ocean crashing on the beach. Okay, where is Colton? I think I'm ready for my room now. What's so special is that each suite is unique and has been thoughtfully designed with a fusion of modern and vintage pieces inspired by old Florida resorts with a hint of the French seaside. I got that right off the website. Step right on into Suite 1. This is the inn's premier accommodation and largest room. Let's take a look around. This one is the honeymoon suite. Listen, what happens in Suite 1 stays in Suite 1, okay? Now, show me that amenities list. What? How did I miss that? We have to see this view. Remember that happy hour mentioned in the graphic? The inn invites guests and locals to gather every Friday in the cafe and toast to the weekend. And guess what? It's Friday. The best part? The Island Cottage Inn has private access to the region's famous cinnamon sand beaches. Get your swim gear on and let's head to the beach. Don't forget your hat. You see why they call these beaches cinnamon red?
One thing I love about Flagler Beach is the color of the sand.
It's because it's made of coquina, which means little shells in Spanish.
Yeah, so one of the first things I noticed how unique the sand was. Very clean, not busy at all.
Okay, does anyone have a towel? Unlike most coastlines in Florida, Flagler Beach isn't lined with high-rise hotels, which leaves you with an intimate, unspoiled beach experience.
The scenery is very beautiful down here, so even if I'm not catching, I'm having a good time.
Flagler Beach is amazing. It's great for a good sunrise, and it's a great place to bring the family, and parking is great. It's right on the beach.
Get this. All parking is FREE free, and there are several beach access points for our four-legged friends. Mind any leash laws and pick up after your pets. No one needs poo on their shoe. Okay, so what are we up for today? I can't decide either. You take a look at this list of things to do while I go put on some sunscreen. I'm starting to get toasty. All this running around on the beach has got me parched. You know what that means. It's time to hydrate.
And all my people say,
Our final stop in Flagler Beach puts us at Next Door Beach Bistro. I'm sorry, did I just teleport to the south of France? Don't you just love an outdoor patio? Look at the pergola. This waterfront restaurant is the perfect place to get out of the sun and enjoy an elevated dining experience.
Great ocean view. Everybody loves the beach. You can eat great food and watch the waves. It's great.
You won't find your typical fried grouper sandwich here. Served up is modern American cuisine with a creative twist.
It's kind of like going to a little Parisian bar, but in the beach in Florida.
Ooh, that looks delish. Where's my fork? Where's my fork? What do you use to eat this thing? Do I have to wear a bib here? This bistro is the sister restaurant to Flagler Beach's oldest family-owned restaurant in the whole county, Golden Lion Cafe. And it just so happens to be right next door. Get it? Next door. See what they did there?
Next door is good vibes, money well spent.
Okay, this show is called Beaches, Bars, and Bungalows, so let's hit the bar.
Being locals, we love the atmosphere and they have great drinks.
This bar is quite literally the centerpiece of the restaurant. And no matter where you sit, you get that amazing ocean view through the big glass windows.
To be able to see the ocean from the bar, you can't ask for anything better than that when you're having a great meal and a great drink.
I know what you're thinking. Go ahead. Grab a seat. I'll see if I can track down the bartender.
These are the best craft cocktails in Flagler Beach.
Found him. This is Christian. He'll be shaking things up for us tonight. Next Door offers up 11 unique signature cocktails, all using premium ingredients. First up is the Rendezvous. This drink consists of French gin, elderflower liqueur, Aperol, lemon, agave, and to top it off, a splash of champagne. Don't worry, no fire here. It's just their smoky old-fashioned that's bringing the heat. This classic bourbon cocktail is sweetened with sugar and aromatized with aromatic and orange bitters. The strong, earthy flavor of the bourbon pairs well with wood notes added through the smoking process. This last drink is their most popular drink item on the menu.
So this one is a champagne pear martini. It is matching.
A top-shelf pear vodka is mixed with elderflower liqueur, pear, pineapple juice. Toss it up, give it a little shake. Then topped off with champagne and lemon. Add a little sugar rim and poof. Look at that delicious concoction. Okay, put the pretty drink down. There's only a whole other half of an episode to get to. Plus, we've got to fly 148 miles south. And just like that, we're in Vero Beach, located on the southeastern coast of Florida, just 85 miles southeast of Orlando and 65 miles north of West Palm Beach. Did you know that Vero Beach was named the 7th best small beach town in Florida by Southern Living magazine in 2023? Way to go, Vero! What's great about this town is there's a little bit of everything for everyone. Pristine beaches, duh, got it. Amazing shopping, check. Arts and culture, you betcha. Ooh, grab your phone. You have to check out this mural trail throughout downtown. It's an influencer's dream. Historical downtown Vero Beach is chock full of quaint shops, unique galleries, and tons of restaurants. Keep those wallets in check. You're gonna wanna buy everything. Ice cream, coffee. Ooh, love a good boutique. Ooh, can we stop in there? Look at the theater. It's also stinking cute. Look, I get it. Not everyone is a city person, which is why you're in luck. Vero Beach is situated along the Indian River Lagoon, which is like one of the most biologically diverse places in North America. Which means this is one of the best places to go fishing, kayaking, boating, and diving. See that guy over there? He's having a blast. The surrounding nature preserves are the perfect place to get offline and explore nature. Oh, what's that? Just got a notification from the hotel. It's time to check in. The accommodations here in Vero will be at South Beach Place. It's a 1950s mid-century catwalk building that's constantly being updated and tweaked. I will be testing out that catwalk later. With no enclosed common areas, this open-air concept allows you to enjoy the fresh air and ocean breezes. Here are some of the hotel amenities. The tropical garden is the perfect place to step away and get some alone time. The pool is surrounded by a large deck furnished with comfortable lounge chairs and red striped umbrellas. The tiki huts were made by the local Seminole tribe. If that ain't Florida, I don't know what is. A game of shuffleboard, anyone? I have no idea what I'm doing. Did I score? Ooh, I am good. If you're into design and decor, this place is for you. Each of the 18 suites has gorgeous, mostly mid-century modern furniture and art. All of the rooms are curated to complement the old Florida lifestyle, blending old and new. You'll find a playful mix of color, texture, and elevated design. They also all have fun names. Turquoise Green Room. This airy family suite features 2 daybeds on either side of a mid-century 2-tier mica and bamboo corner table. The glass dinette and lamps make the living area a breath of fresh air, while the king-sized bed with white and turquoise mid-century headboard gives you all the room you need to stretch out and relax. Zen, relaxation, and coastal chic are the main elements of the unpretentious, comfortable simplicity found in the beach pad. Palm frond, framed windows give it a bright and airy feel. This corner unit is just steps from the ocean. Appointed in a minimalist style that exudes beach life, the furnishings in this room are just the right blend of cool marine tones and warm woods to draw the peaceful, beach escape vibe indoors. This room is my fave, and you're about to see why. No need for rose-colored glasses in this exuberant second-floor corner suite. Room 209, also called the Pink Lady, is giving me all the classic retro vibes. The queen bedroom is just the right amount of frou-frou with vintage ballet wall art, a sleek black lacquer mirror, and an updated bathroom featuring fun fish decorating the walls. I can't resist. I must do my little turn on the catwalk. Good job, camera person. We crushed that spin. Okay, enough goofing around. Let's make our way to the beach. Okay, quick history lesson. Back in 1715, a hurricane ran 12 Spanish ships full of gold, silver, and jewelry into Florida's coastline, and let's just say it didn't end well. Keep an eye out for anything shiny washing onto shore. As you can see, the water sparkles. Holy moly, what is that? Oh my gosh, I thought that was a whale! Vero has 3 main public beaches, and today we're accessing South Beach Park. This popular beach is bustling with activity and offers the widest stretch of sand. Volleyball nets provide the perfect opportunity to play a game or throw a football.
We get to swim in the ocean. We get to enjoy a beach that is not very populated either, which is great.
No doubt about it. Just a simple walk on the beach is enough for these 2 friends.
It's just so relaxing. It's kind of like an escape from our busy lives and our routines. It's just a deep breath of air.
One of my favorite things about Vero is the amount of waterfront restaurants located just steps off the beach. What do you know? It's 5 o'clock. Okay, where is this beachside bar? Geez, these ocean drone shots can get scary. Let's speed it up a bit. We've arrived at Heaton's. It's tucked away inside Kimpton Vero Beach Hotel and Spa. What's great is you don't have to stay here in order to enjoy this open-air experience. Just steps from the sand, this oceanfront bar and restaurant brings the Atlantic Ocean right to your table. From humble beginnings as a simple snack bar for the hotel pool has transformed into this elegant bar with a diverse menu offering fan favorites to thoughtfully curated seafood dishes. Well, would you look at that? They saved us the best seat in the house. Ooh, a fire pit. Nice touch. Chef Matt, can you please explain what's on my plate?
So we have the grilled Spanish octopus with pickled finocchione, chimichurri, and avocado aioli.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What about these other 2?
You have our bang bang shrimp, butter lettuce, ponzu, pickled daikon, and that's tossed with a little sriracha and chili aioli. Then tuna nachos, sweet soy, wasabi cream, and wonton crisps.
Chef, you have outdone yourself. Ooh, boom's in the shot. Chef's kiss. Mwah. It's not a true Heaton's experience if you haven't had Jacob as a bartender. This guy is the real deal.
Oh, sorry, I move around a lot.
I mean, look at his arms. He's got tattoos of his favorite cocktails on his body. That's commitment right there.
You're watching Beaches, Bars, and Bungalows.
Jacob pours his flair for excellence into every drink. All right, Jacob, what's on the drink menu tonight?
All right, right here I got the cuddly cactus for you. It's going to be a little bit of a prickly pear syrup, a single barrel reposado tequila, pineapple juice, and Peugeot's bitters. Enjoy. All right, I knew one wasn't enough, so I made you a second one. This is going to be our fat-washed Wagyu Old Fashioned, featuring our single barrel High West Double Rye whiskey, a little bit of simple syrup, a little bit of aromatic and orange bitters. It's finished with an orange twist and a cherry. I know you're gonna enjoy that one.
Ooh, that looks so good.
All right, I know that 2's not enough, so I know you need one more. All right, I got the Kiwi Be Friends here. It's gonna have a mezcal, a green chartreuse, some coconut cream, a kiwi shrub, and a little bit of lime juice. I know you're gonna enjoy that one.
Jacob, you have outdone yourself. Can we get another shot of these drinks all together? That's it. Thank you. Well, there you have it, my beautiful beach babes. 2 amazing coastal destinations just waiting for you to visit.
Oh, you're still here. Can I get you another one?
Can I have a Kiwi Be Friends?
Absolutely, coming right at you.
I'll see you next time on Beaches, Bars, and Bungalows. Okay, can I have another one of those cuddly cactus drinks? I feel like that embodies my personality perfectly.